In this video, we're going to be showing you how to easily file a 1040 tax return online. So do keep in mind, this method works if your income qualifies for the IRS Free File program, and it actually can save you money on filing fees. So what you're going to have to do is simply open up your browser and go to the IRS website. And on the homepage, simply click on File in the top menu, then select File Tax Return. And on this page, you're then going to have to look for Free File. And from here, you'll then be able to see two options. The first one being Guided Tax Software. So this is really recommended if you want step-by-step help. And the second one is going to be filable forms for people comfortably filing out IRS forms manually. So for most people, the guided software option is actually really good. So for 2025, if your adjusted gross income is $84,000 or less, you actually qualify for free filing through IRS partner software. So some providers also include free state returns depending on your state, and if your income is above the limit, you also need a paid software or another filing method. So if you choose to go with a free file partner, you then have to click on the free guided tax software. So here you can either browse all IRS approved providers, or you can also use the IRS tool to find a partner by answering a few questions such as your age, income, filing status, and state. So based on your answers, the IRS will recommend software options that match your situation. And once you choose a provider, you then have to click on the link to go to their site, create a free account, enter your tax information including your income, deductions, and credits. And finally, the software will then automatically prepare your 1040 form. And when you're done, you can then e-file directly to the IRS at no cost. And that's it. So that's how to file your 1040 tax return online. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.